Feeling stressed or overwhelmed? What if the answer to your peace is just outside? Imagine yourself on a mountain top, taking in a spectacular view, or just enjoying the park closest to you. These moments aren't just refreshing, they are scientifically proven to rejuvenate us. Nature has a powerful way to recharging our minds and lifting our spirits. As just as we embrace the beauty of God's creation, we are also reminded of His love and care. So take a moment today to step outside and soak in the wonders of nature, and even just appreciate it from where you are, and watch your soul be renewed.
Hartland College, Biblical Counseling Department.